So, ayan guys, wait lang muna. Great! Ayan guys, may ganito pala. Come here, Charlotte. Come here. Come here, come here. Okay. Sorry mong tape. Sorry mong tape. Okay, good girl. Oh, how about the feet? Feet. Okay, the feet. And then, the ikog is here. Okay. Sorry, Charlotte. Hindi to pang babae. This is from your Kuya Pabpab to Kuya Tugo to Dami. Oh, your things are all your stuff are almost are hand-me-downs. Sabi ko, si Luso. Saka. Si Luso talaga. So, parang feeling ko mahirapan pa din ako nito.